folks, Henry King at Phillips Chevrolet once again. I want to introduce you a brand new customer, Connie Morris, who bought her brand new Equinox. Tell us about your experience, Connie.
My experience is wonderful. Mr. King here, wonderful salesperson, very friendly, outgoing, very thorough, showed me the dealership, got me what I wanted, and I'm ready to drive off in my new car.
Thank you again, Connie. Congratulations, I appreciate she bought this for her Mother's Day present. What a nice Mother's Day present. Come and get you one too. Buy yourself one for Mother's Day or buy your wife one for Mother's Day. Come and see Henry King at Phillips Chevrolet. Yeah.